Don't forget to subscribe.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Electrical Expert. I'm Geeth, and on this channel, I'll explain electrical stuff in a way that's easy to understand and useful for everyone. Today, we're talking about something really important, the changeover switch. It's a device that helps you switch between power sources, like your main electricity and a generator, to keep the power running without interruptions. In this video, I'll show you what it is, why it's important, the different types of changeover switches, and how they work. Whether you're an electrician, a student, or just curious about how these things work at home, this is for you. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more simple and fun electrical videos. Let's get started. The role of a changeover switch is to transfer the power supply from one source to another safely and efficiently. It ensures that your electrical system can switch between different power sources without causing damage or interruptions. One switch between power sources, commonly used to switch between the main power supply grid and backup power like a generator or inverter. To ensure uninterrupted power, helps maintain a continuous power supply during outages by quickly shifting to a backup source. 3. Protect electrical systems, prevents the simultaneous connection of two power sources, avoiding overloading or electrical hazards. 4. Control and safety, offers control over which source is active and ensures safety for both the equipment and users. Types of changeover switches. The first type is the manual changeover switch. This switch is operated manually, where you physically turn a lever or knob to switch between power sources, like from the main power supply to a generator. The second type is the automatic changeover switch, often referred to as ATS. This type automatically detects a power outage and switches to an alternate source, such as a generator, without any manual input. The manual changeover switch is a simple yet effective solution for switching between power sources, like the main supply and a generator. By understanding its wiring, you can ensure a safe and reliable connection for your power needs. Remember, proper installation, neutral connections, and earthing are essential to avoid electrical hazards. While it requires manual operation, it remains a cost-effective and widely used option for homes and small setups. The automatic transfer switch ATS ensures uninterrupted power by seamlessly switching between the main supply and a generator during outages. Its automated process eliminates manual intervention, making it ideal for critical systems. Proper wiring, neutral connections, and earthing are essential for safe and efficient operation. Thank you for watching my video.
Don't forget to subscribe.